Um, First off, before I start, I want to apologize for my voice. I am sick and my sinuses are going to war with me. But I'm going to show you how I did my loan assignment. So, excuse me. I guess the first thing I'll show you is this is the amount of loan that I had, $150,000. This was the amount of interest, 5.8%, and this is the number of payments that I will have. Right here, I have my monthly payment, and as you can see, this is the formula given to me that I put in. D2, which is the interest amount divided by 12, and then D3 is the amount of payments, and then D1 is the loan amount, and from that it tells you the monthly payment, which will be $1,650.28. So to get this, what I did was I just put in number, payment, interest, principal, and balance, and then I put in 0, and I put in the balance of $150,000. Then from there, I started with this row, which I have in purple, and I put the number 1, and then when I got under payment, I put the $D$5, which would be the absolute value of D5, and D5 would be the monthly payment. And then for the interest, the formula I put in was E9, which would be the balance, times the absolute value of D2, which would be the amount of interest, and divide that by 12, and that would be $750. That's not $750. That's $725. I'm sorry. My screen has lines in it, but that's besides the point. And then for principal, the formula I put in was B10, which is the payment, the first payment, minus C10, and then for balance, it was E9 minus D10. So after I put all of these in, all I did was highlight this first row. And then if you go in the corner of it, it gives you this black plus sign. You click that and you drag it all the way down, and well, it gives you the same answers, but it gave me the same format too. So let me just delete that. But if you do that, you go all the way down, it copies the formula for each one of these, or the format for each one of these, all the way down to when you want it to stop. And I wanted to stop right here till I got to 0. So that's how you save time with it. For my 75th payment, all I did was went to 75, because this is the number, and at my 75th payment, I would have $66,597.68 left to pay. This was how much interest I did altogether. So for that one was just the sum of C10 to C129, which is basically the whole row of interest just added together. And then for this one, it was to see if the interest was 4 point something. If it was 4.5, how much money would I save? So I just put in this formula: G2 minus $36,549.14, and I would have saved $11,484.72. And yeah, I think that's it.